Coda, the musical finale that ties it all together. Imagine you're at a symphony concert. The orchestra has been playing for an hour, and just as you think the piece is coming to an end, there's a sudden shift. The music takes on a new energy, building to a grand finale. This final section, that's what we call a coda. Word type, coda is a noun. Meaning, in music, the coda is the concluding passage of a piece or movement, typically forming an addition to the basic structure. More broadly, it refers to a concluding event, remark, or section, especially one that serves as a summation or flourish. Word history. Coda comes from the Italian word meaning tail or end. It entered the English language in the mid-18th century, derived from the Latin cauda, also meaning tail. This etymology reflects its function as the tail end of a composition or discourse. Antonyms. While coda doesn't have direct antonyms, we can consider related concepts such as introduction, prelude, or opening as opposite in function. Synonyms. Some synonyms or related terms include finale, conclusion, ending, denouement, and epilogue. Examples used in sentences. The novelist added a brief coda to the story, revealing the character's fates years after the main events. The professor's lecture ended with a coda summarizing the key points of quantum mechanics. The film's coda, showing the protagonist's life after the main conflict, brought tears to many viewers' eyes. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing coda with climax. While a coda often follows the climax, it's not the high point of tension, but rather a concluding section. Another error is using coda for any ending. It's more accurately applied to a distinct final section that rounds off or summarizes the whole. In essence, understanding and using coda correctly can add a sophisticated touch to your language, whether you're discussing music, literature, or any field where a concluding flourish is relevant. It's a versatile term that can elevate your expression, helping you articulate the structure of compositions or discussions with precision. Remember, just as in music, well-placed coda in your speech or writing can leave a lasting impression, tying everything together in a satisfying conclusion.